Today I'm sharing how you can create a full party kit with scrapbook paper and your Cricut. Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Let's get started. I will be sharing this project using my Cricut Explorer 3 and several scrapbook items that I had on hand. I'll be using paper doilies. I might be using these lace embellishments, some paper flowers, paper straws, scissors. I will also be using this really pretty scrapbook paper that's double-sided and some foam tape. To get started, you're going to want to download my free template by signing up for my studio letter. I have everything linked below, and once you get signed up, you can get a link to the template in Cricut Design Space. I used only free shapes to create this template, so you do not need a subscription to Cricut Access. I created an extra lace overlay, but I'm going to go ahead and hide that because we're not going to need it today. We will be cutting these on the mat, and I will be using the medium cardstock setting for the paper that I am using. So once everything is cut, go ahead and remove your pieces off your mat, and we'll get started with the candy wrappers. When I'm working with paper, I like to bend my Cricut mat so that I can easily take off the pieces that I've cut. This eliminates warping and bending of the paper. I cut both the classic and the lace templates for the candy bar wrappers. And as you can see, the lace has several little intricate designs, and it's going to be very nice for a tea party. I'm also going to cut a paper doily that I got from Dollar Tree. All you have to do is just trim it down and add it to the back of your paper wrapper. Because everything is cut from paper, it's an easy way to decorate for a small gathering or a larger party without spending a lot of money. All the supplies I'm using are going to be linked in the description. I am using a Hershey chocolate bar. I will be leaving the wrapper on the bar. We'll just simply be covering it with foil. I'm using these foil sheets, and all I have to do is cut it in half and then wrap the candy bar. Once you have the candy bar wrapped in foil, go ahead and get your candy wrapper that you cut with the Cricut and wrap it around the candy bar. Secure it with glue or adhesive tape. And this is where it gets really fun. You can add all kinds of embellishments. You can add lace, paper, flowers, whatever you want to elevate your table. Now let's move on to the cupcake toppers. This is using the classic circles and paper straws that I cut in half. What you do is just put some glue on the back of one paper straw and put one of the large toppers on the back, and then layer the smaller topper on top with some glue. One of my favorite things about this project is how easy it is to change the theme just by switching up the scrapbook paper. Next, I got a coordinating piece of scrapbook paper and cut out some embellishments and added that on the top with some foam tape. And lastly, I'm using the paper straws as an extra detail around the bottom of the cupcake topper. For the book club candy bars, I just used a piece of scrapbook paper, cut up strips of it that had some details on it, and used it to wrap around the candy bar as a little band. Super cute and kept everything very simple. Once everything is assembled, these small paper details can really bring your dessert table together. Cupcake toppers, candy bar wrappers, and decorated straws create a coordinated look using just scrapbook paper and a few simple supplies. And lastly, to dress up the paper straws, I simply just wrapped the paper straw flags around the straws with some glue. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.